Venturing into different work fields is important because if one door closes, you can open another to continue making a living. This was the mantra used by renowned Fijian musician Seru Serevi, who says despite the effects of COVID-19 on the music industry, he is still able to support his family. Serevi ventured into poultry and tilapia fish farming for 10 years. Josai Nanunga with tonight's success story.
Raised in a humble setting, the 68-year-old Nakorvo Rewa native committed to his talent that was recognized way back in high school days.
Even when I was a civil servant, I was doing 6 nights a week, taking gigs at dance hall and hotels, holiday in Travelodge at the time. And the music got the better of me, and I left civil servant and become a full-time musician.
A little walk down memory lane, Serevi has seen soar to greater heights as the music composed by him is a hit among fans.
I was singing in Fijian, and we were, and the spectators, the audience was louder than us singing Fijian song, not even understanding what they sing. You know, I thought back of the nights I spent alone trying to compose a song. And when people in Papua New Guinea were singing it back to me, I was really emotional.
Being a board member of the Fiji Performing Rights Association, Serevi usually motivates his fellow artists to venture into other opportunities rather than clinging onto their talents.
Now with all the hotels and nightclubs and restaurant closed, we are one of the worst affected and one of the first too. So my advice have always been to other musicians is the importance of doing other things, diversifying instead of just putting your eggs in one basket and just relying on your music alone.
The father of 4 says his farming business injects over $200 weekly to their family's livelihood.
If I could sell 7 or 8 a week, that really helps. And I have a property in Suva that's on rent too. That's helping with our daily life now that we are out of work.
Serevi now has plans to expand his farming business, as he says the future of the music industry still looks uncertain due to the impacts of COVID-19. Serevi and his group usually entertain tourists at hotels and resorts, but the tourism industry has grinded to a halt. Josai Nanunga, FBC News.